Alright, what is up, guys? It is November 1st. New month, new trading. Let's see, I finished up today 258. I was up $350 and I broke one of my rules and I lost $100. So I guess that's what I get. But anyways, I'm gonna go over all the trades I did make today. Let's see. First one I traded was CHFS. We had it on watch because it was gapping up this morning, and it's a low float. So, one of my rules is I don't start trading. I don't start making entries until 9:32, 9:33. The only reason I do that is because the Thinkorswim platform simulator is very laggy in the first 2 minutes, and it's super annoying. So I mean, you'll put out an order, wait 10-15 seconds, it'll bounce around, not get filled, you'll cancel the order, and then 2 minutes later, boom, it gets filled. So can't stand it. So I usually wait at least 2.5 to 3 minutes into the market before I make my first trade. Today my first trade was at 9:37, so perfect. So I got in 3,000 shares right here at 157, and I sold half. I usually sell half on my first sell if I'm up pretty decent, mainly because I'm locking in the majority of my profits. And then from there, I'll sell quarters or whatnot. So I sold half at 162. Boom, just right here, the next minute. Then it had a little pullback, sold another 500 at 65. I guess it's this candle, yep. Then 500 more at 168. Probably the same candle. And then I sold the last of it at 174. Boom. Let's see. CHFS, and that was for $255. Since that was my first trade of the day and I was already up $255, I was like, perfect, because I'm trying to trade with $5,000. So $255 day with a $5,000 account is pretty freaking great. So with that being said, I was pretty happy with the trade. It did, let's see, I got a 174. Did go up, to 180, 183, and then came back down, and then up to 190. But I was not very interested in it right here because, let's see, why was I not interested? I don't know. I just figured there was going to be support at, around $2, but, it never did break 190, so it was the right call. My next trade was on CRC. Now, somebody called this out in a free chat that I'm in, and I honestly just didn't think it was going to work out as good as it did, but it did. So it broke over the pre-market high. Oh, it's actually the after hours from yesterday, but still broke over the after hour highs from yesterday. It was above, or it got above the 13 EMA on the daily chart. My first entry of 800 shares was at 786. So 780. Wow, it was up there, huh? What time was that? 786 at 944. Let's zoom in a little more. 44, 786. Oh. Boom, right here. And then I sold half at 796 at 47. And it already ran all the way up to 8 something here. I was probably waiting for the break of $8. And then it did. I sold 200 shares, so half of the remaining half at 807. And then I was holding the rest, ended up selling it. No, I didn't really hold it that long. I guess it pulled back a little bit and then shot back up because I got out of the rest at 275 or 795. Jesus, I can't talk. So I got out here, and then it flushed down apparently, and I got filled here. Then it popped back up, and by then I'm already out with $100. I made $355 on the day, and I was done until I get back on at 150, which I broke 2 rules. Not well, technically I had another trade. I make 3 trades a day. That's my rule. 3 trades a day. So this would have been my 3rd trade, but I usually don't start trading until 2 o'clock in the afternoon if I'm going to trade in the afternoon. But this stock was just creeping up. See, 142 right in here. I was watching it. 149 is when I got in it with this candle, so it already had this massive run up, and I did make money on it my first trade. Let's see, where to go? ISEE right here, $1,200 at $398. So I was anticipating the break of $4. Boom, right here. Actually, which candle was it? 49. Yeah, it would have been 49 right here. So $398. Market ordered in, pops up. I sell 400 shares at $404, and then I sell 400 at $401. When it came back down, I was like, let me get out of more of my position. Oh my god. And then I sold the remaining shares at basically $402, same freaking price, probably on this doji candle here. But anyways, all 3 trades were above my entry. I made it was like 70 something dollars, so I was up 420 on the day. Oh my god. And then I was watching it. I got back in 1,200 shares at $413, and then sold at $403. So that was a loser. That was probably on this candle here. 357. Yeah, 358. So yeah, 413 got us stopped out down here, which, I was waiting for it. It curled back around. And this kind of really upset me because I think it was like right here. I had to go put my son down for a nap. I was like, I'm going to go put my son down. Get him to sleep, come back, make the trade for move up to 420, because I was really hoping right here it was going to get to 420. I just knew it was, but it didn't. So I'm up there, putting him down, and then this starts creeping up. I come back down, and boom, it's sitting at 420. So what do? I buy 1,200 shares on the pullback to 418. Then I add, nope, that's a different stock. And then I sell those that I bought at 418 at 412. Then I buy 2,000 shares at 420. Sell 500 at 427. 1,500 at 420. So I got like $60 of it back. So I'm still finishing down $165 on ISEE for the day. I was still watching it. Came down to the trend line. I was thinking about getting in, but I was like, no, because the time in sales was just red. It was like 417, 417, 417, just strips of red. And then it flushed down. So that was the right choice. Just stay away from it. But I did grab a little bit of profit on XNET, XNET. Not a lot of profit, just a little bit. $68. I was up 100 at its best, but still I grabbed 68 before it came back down. So it was a little creeping too. Bought in 800 shares at 604. Let's see, which candle was it? 230. $604. Well, 29. So this candle here, 604. You ain't gonna see that because it's red, but yeah, this candle here, bought in 604. Sold 400 of it at 617. And this right here is where I was up like $100. I know I didn't sell it. I sold the rest. XNET at 608. So it's 4 pennies above my original entry. 37. So it was this candle. Okay. Yep. 608. Boom. Man, why do I keep stretching it out so much? And then it continued to come down. So it was the right call there as well. So that was my trading for the day. The markets are still alive. They're just not moving that much. Nothing's really moving, flashing, going on. But still, 258 today. I think yesterday I lost like 255, so break even for yesterday. But my first day of the smaller account, I made 200 and something. So as of right now, this is accurate, up $228 on the small account. Now, as you can see up here, the account size is $10,227. So I set it at $10,000 because when I set it at $5,000, I kept getting rejected on my orders because literally it wouldn't let me use a penny over $5,000. But with TD Ameritrade, you're supposed to have 2 times your leverage. So I just set it at $10,000. I'm making trades with right around $5,000, maybe $5,200 on my entries, but I try to make it $5,000 or less. So my goal here is to take a $5,000 account and turn it into whatever I can. Hopefully like $20,000, but we'll see. When I had a $30,000 account, I was going up and down and back and forth, and it was just crazy. But trying to trade with smaller size, taking profits quicker, trading less, following certain criteria and rules to see if I can hone in my skills and be able to grow a smaller account, because in real life that's probably what's going to have to happen. But anyways, that's my day for the day. $258, still not bad, especially for a Friday. Fridays are usually my worst days, and they're obviously very slow. I mean, as you can see, it's like $7,800 on that candle, or 7,800 shares traded on that candle. But anyways, we'll be back at it Monday. Hopefully November is just insane. I can't wait for it to get hot again. See some run-ups like we had on SES and BIMI. A couple of those big, massive 100% gain, 100% movers. But anyways, we'll be back at it Monday morning. Thanks for watching.